back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see here, steaming hot, fresh from the pot, we're going to make a really easy potato curry. Absolutely delicious. Vegetarian, healthy and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. So in the center I've got a star of our show, the potatoes. Cut them fairly nice and small, peeled, washed and cut. 1 decent sized onion, a little bit of tomato, like 1 decent sized tomato cut. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Some fresh chilies, which I'm leaving whole today. I just cut the ends off, but I'm going to keep them in whole like that. Here we've got some cumin seeds, like 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Here we've got what I always call the big 4, 1 teaspoon each of chili, cumin, turmeric and coriander. We're going to start us off with some oil. We might add a little touch of water, and I'm also going to add some salt and some fresh mint. Let's get to the cooker. This will be done in no time. Okay, so pan is on. Got some oil in there which we're heating up. We're going to drop in our cumin seeds and then our potatoes, and we're going to fry these for about 4 minutes. Okay, there you go. They're still very hard, but they're on their way. We're now going to drop in our onion. I'm going to go for another 3 minutes on this high heat. Okay, we're now going to add in our garlic ginger paste. And again, on this high heat, 2 more minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. This is looking absolutely wonderful. Next up, we're going to drop in our tomato. Just a little bit, not using too much tomato. We're going to put in our fresh chili. We're going to add a little bit of salt. And let's take a look at our powders again. So there's 4 powders in there. There's turmeric, coriander, chili, and under there equal amounts of cumin. In that goes. Give this a little mix. If you want, you can chop your chili. I just like them in there whole. We're going to add a little bit of water. Not too much. And I'm going to get a lid on this now, and we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes on a high heat. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid. Let me get the steam out there for you. And that is looking absolutely wonderful. Check those potatoes, I'm pretty sure they're done now. Yeah, they're nice and soft. Just going to finish this off with a little bit of garam masala powder, nice finishing powder. Check it for salt. I'm going to add just a little touch more salt. And I'm going to add a fresh herb now. You can be putting fresh mint in, or fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. In that goes. I'm going to give that a mix, and that's done. You've got a really nice, easy potato curry there. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below for notifications, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.